Hello learners, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Welcome to Conceptly. Learners, have you ever wondered how your personal computers work? Well, your personal computer works on an operating system. An operating system is a very important part of a computer. But before talking about an operating system, let us talk about how a computer is made. It is made up of two essential components that are known as hardware and a software. Now let us learn about what a hardware is. Hardware refers to the parts of a computer that you can touch or feel. The CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, and a microphone are examples of hardware devices. These components of computer are also called the physical parts of a computer system that you can touch and feel with your senses. Now moving forward, the next essential component of a computer system that a computer system is made up of is a software. Well, a software refers to the set of programs which are a set of instructions given to a computer that performs some tasks in a computer. Softwares are those computer instructions on which computer performs its basic as well as its complex calculations and its working. Some of the popular softwares are the Microsoft Windows, along with the Microsoft Office, KTurtle, TuxPaint, and also the Adobe Photoshop. But learners, you must be wondering what exactly is an operating system. So, an operating system is a program that helps the computer hardware to work with a computer software. It helps a user to get an input from the computer. A computer is of no use without an operating system. Learners, do you know a computer works in different steps? The steps in which the computer works are a total of 3. A computer takes its input from input devices like a keyboard, then processes over onto the CPU cabinet and finally displays the output on the monitor, which is an output device. All of these steps are possible due to the operating system. Different kinds of software take inputs from the user, pass them on the CPU for processing, and then help to display the result or the output on the monitor. An operating system helps to make this exchange of input and output among the input device, the software, the CPU, and finally the output devices. Now learners, let us learn about the types of operating system. Basically, there are 2 types of operating system: single-user operating system and a multi-user operating system. A single-user operating system allows only one user to work on a computer or a device at a time. A few examples of this are the Windows XP, the Mac operating system, the Windows 7 or 8. These are the examples of single-user operating systems. These operating systems are usually meant for the home use. Next, a multi-user operating system allows many people to use the same computer or different computers at different times. Therefore, this main computer is attached to many other computers. A few examples of such operating systems are Linux, Windows, also the Unix operating system. The multi-user operating systems are usually used in big offices and big organizations like hospitals and railway stations. So my dear learners, how was your experience about learning about different kinds of operating system and how it helps in running a computer system? I hope that you have found it very useful. For more informative videos like these, subscribe to our channel and turn the notification bell on. Until next time, bye!